Hello friends, you are on the Home Tips channel, and in this video I will show you an easy way to get stains out of duvet. I will tell you how to make a cleaning agent with which you can easily remove stains not only from a blanket but also from a mattress, pillow, bed linen. You can also use this cleaner if you need to remove stains from clothes and whiten whites to make them white again. So, to make a cleaning solution, use 2 parts hydrogen peroxide, and 1 part dish soap. Now everything needs to be mixed well. Dip a cleaning brush in the resulting solution and use it to work on the stains. If you are cleaning something that cannot be washed, such as a mattress, then try not to wet it too much. I have treated a few stains on the duvet. Now it must be left for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, dip the brush in the remaining cleaning solution and brush the stains. Then I take a well-wrung microfiber cloth, soaked in cold water, and wipe the blanket with it. It is better to fold the cloth several times. When one side becomes soapy, turn the cloth over and you can continue cleaning. When the cloth is soapy, rinse it under running water. This has to be done several times. I cleaned my duvet well. When I touch it, there is no feeling that it is soapy. Now you need to make sure that after drying, a yellow stripe doesn't appear on the blanket where the border between wet and dry passes. To do this, I run a wet cloth to the nearest seam, evenly wetting the blanket. Now my blanket will dry and I will show you the result. Well friends, my blanket is dry. I removed the spots in the center. As you can see, the blanket is clean. I am very pleased with the result. Now you know how to get rid of sweat stains on a pillow, how to remove stains on a blanket or mattress, how to get stains out of clothes. By the way, if the thing is colored, test the cleaner on an inconspicuous area. I hope you liked this advice. Don't forget to put your thumbs up under this video and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot of interesting things. Thank you all for watching. Bye!